Welcome back to my channel. I'm at it again with another video. As you've seen in the title, we are going to do another Ttdeye contact review, and I'm going to try them on for you guys. I got two new pairs. If you haven't checked out my last review, I'm going to put the link up here. I have the link down below. Make sure you check it out. My discount code is kassiem. I'll have it right here. It still applies, you guys. If you use it, you can get you a pair for 10% off. They're really, really nice. Summer's coming up, so they're gonna look really cute in the sun. They look cute, period, but in the sun, they're gonna look a lot better. Like, I cannot wait. So I got me two new pairs. I forgot the color that I got. I believe I got like a green one and then like a mermaid looking one. So I'm so excited to try those on for you guys. Make sure you guys get you a pair and use my discount code. I have a discount code for you guys to use, so use it up, use it up, use it up. Tag me on Instagram if you post a picture with them. Tag Ttdeye, tag all of them. I'm gonna have their link, their social media down below, their TikTok, their Instagram, all that good stuff, the website where you can order them. So I'm gonna have all that down below, and it's in the bio of my Instagram. So if you are following me on Instagram, the discount code and the company where you buy them is literally in my bio. So make sure you check that out. They're super dope. But this is gonna be really another unboxing. Look at my Nuggets cars in the back, per usual. If you guys are interested in watching this unboxing video, then please keep watching. I'm gonna just jump right into it. I got a lot of comments on my last review that I did, and somebody was like, why do we have to watch her literally get ready and do all of this stuff? Why can't we just watch her try the contacts on? So I read your comments. I got ready ahead of time, did my makeup, did my hair. It still looks a little crazy, but that's okay. But I'm just really gonna jump right into this review. I already opened it, but the box comes like this, and it's Ttdeye, Seeing Different. Yeah, this is the box, and then you open it up, which I already took everything out, but you open it up and it comes with this. It comes with two of these. My nails are not done, don't come for me, but I'm just gonna show you what it comes with. It comes with two of these, because I got two pairs, so if you get one, I'm pretty sure it'll come with one. But it gives two cases, and then like a little like tweezers, and then it comes with your contacts. So look at this, it's so cute. It's like chrome. I love that. And then it comes with a little mirror. I did not open this, but these are so cute, like on the go. Look at their little, see the little cartoons. And then, as you guys seen in my last one, it's like a little mirror, you know. So I have like 3 of these now, I think. They come with tattoos, and they're so cute. They usually send you hearts, but they're all different. These are different. I think I'm gonna probably rock one of these today. I like this one. I might just put it like right here or something. We will see. If you guys are following me on my social media, maybe I'll post it on my story. And then it comes with a little card. It says, "It is a wonderful day today, especially for you." And then it's like, can you guys see that? There you go. Well, I got my solution. I got my Q-tips ready because your girl's eyes be watery. And now we're gonna open the contacts. Ooh. So the first color that I got is called Ice Green, and it's super beautiful, you guys. Look at this color right here. Oh my goodness, so cute. So those are called Ice Green, you guys. I'm gonna try those on. The second pair that I got is called Mermaid Tears, and these are gorgeous as well. Look at that. They're like a hazily brown, I guess. But the first color I'm gonna try, I guess I'm gonna try the Mermaid Tears on first. So we're gonna do the Mermaid Tears first, you guys, and see how they look. I'm so anxious, I'm so excited. But the first thing I'm gonna do is put solution in my little container here. Fill them up, fill them up, fill them up, fill them up. Let's try them on, I'm so excited. I'll be right back once I put them on, because I'm not gonna do this right here because your girl's gonna look a hot mess. But I'll be back when I try Mermaid Tears on for you guys, okay? Okay, these are Mermaid Tears. I know you guys are probably thinking, it's a little bit subtle, but these are super cute, you guys. If you're going for like that natural look, everybody doesn't like dramatic. So again, with this company, they have a range of different styles and different colors. They have dramatic colors, they have subtle colors, they have in between. So like it's really gorgeous, whatever you're gonna use. Like here, let me do a close-up. You guys can see they have like, you can see like the brown around them. I'm telling you, in person it looks way better than on camera. But these contacts, you guys, let me tell you, they're so comfortable. I can move my eyes around, they don't burn, the contact doesn't move. I don't have a prescription for these, but if you do have a prescription, you can get these with a prescription, you guys. So literally use my discount code kassiem, get you a pair. Like, they're so cute. You guys ask me all the time where I get them from, but again, these are mermaid tears. So as you can see, I took them off now. These are my natural eyes. Like I said, much darker, you guys, compared to the mermaid tears. Now I'm gonna go try on the ice green, which I'm so excited about, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is ice green. Oh my God, I love these. These are like my favorite right now. Are you serious? Like, I love these. They're so cute. I cannot take it. I'm gonna rock these today. These are dope. Look at this. They're so comfy. Like, the actual lens feels a little bit more flimsy than the mermaid tears. So I'm guessing, depending on what color you get, the texture of the lens can feel a little bit more bendy and soft and flexible and like flimsy if it's like a lighter color, I guess. Or I don't know, because I actually have the Polar Light Grays, which are really, really light and they're not that flimsy, but it doesn't really matter because every single contact that I tried on from them has been really comfortable. My vision, I can see clear. It's not like blurry. With any contacts, if you're wearing them for a long period of time, I like to wear them for a long period of time. Your eyes can get a little bit dry if you're outside and it's like windy, of course. I'm not gonna lie about that. But all you literally have to do is just like put some drops in your eyes and you're good to go. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you guys like the mermaid tears on me? Or do you guys like the ice green on me? Are you more natural gang? Are you more, you know, dramatic, extra gang? I'm like extra for sure. Like, I really like the more than the like. Nothing is wrong with being natural, guys, though. It's all beautiful. These are ice green. Okay guys, so that does it for this little quick Ttdeye contact review. You guys, get you a pair. These are super dope. Use my discount code kassiem. I'm gonna have the link down below where you can buy them. My discount code, Ttdeye's social media. Don't forget to follow them, tag them in it, tag me in it, you guys, so I can repost you guys on my story. And make sure you let me know that you use my discount code so I can shout you guys out. I'm also gonna have the link to their website on my Instagram bio. So if you're following me there and you're scrolling through my Instagram, or you see me post a picture and tag the contacts in them and you really want them, just go to my bio, click the link, get the pair you want. And yeah, like, I really hope you guys get a pair of these. I love them. They're so cute. If you guys really like these reviews, comment down below if you guys like me doing reviews on things, if you guys want me to do more vlogs. I was gonna vlog the other day, totally forgot. Maybe I might vlog today. We will see. But yeah, I love you guys, and let me know if you get a pair of these, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.